Welcome back to Restoration Travels with Lane and Kevin. Today, we're going to show you this great Victorian showpiece. We're so excited to tour this gorgeous Victorian in Natchez, Mississippi. In 1890, a portion of the property of Arlington was sold to create the Arlington Heights subdivision. This home was built in the mid-1890s and is one of the more grand homes in the area. The home was purchased in 1901 by Robert T. Clark, a levee contractor working in Natchez. Clark later went on to own Stanton Hall, what is now one of the finer museum homes in town. This property does need a little love, but as you can see, the beautiful historic details are all still present. Just take a look at this beautiful newel post and railing. Gorgeous stairway. This gorgeous wallpaper all throughout the entryway was brought in from England. The entryway features transoms over every door and beautiful carved tablatures and architraves. It still has one of its remaining push-button light switches. I know you're just like me. You've got life goals, you've got career goals, but let's be completely honest, aging is getting in the way. It's making things harder. That's why I use Qualia Senolytic. I hope you've heard of Neurohacker and their product Qualia Senolytic because we've been preaching it on our channel for months now. And why? Because it makes us feel years younger. Now you just have to take it 2 days a month and you will start feeling younger, have more enthusiasm, have more energy, just like I have. As we age, everyone accumulates senescent cells in their body, and senescent cells cause symptoms of aging such as aches and pains, slow workout recoveries, etc. Also known as zombie cells, they are old and worn out, not serving a useful function for health anymore. But they're taking up space and nutrients from your healthy cells. Much like pruning the yellowing dead leaves off of a plant, Qualia senolytic removes those worn out senescent cells to allow for the rest of them to thrive in your body. It has a 100-day money-back guarantee, but believe me, you're not going to need it. This is a science-backed formula backed with hundreds of research citations. Resist aging at the cellular level. Use Qualia senolytic. Go to neurohacker.com/restoration for up to $100 off and use code RESTORATION at checkout for an additional 15% off. That's neurohacker.com/restoration for an additional 15% off your purchase. Thanks to Neurohacker for sponsoring this video. Just to the right of the entryway through these gorgeous double doors is the formal parlor. It features more of that beautiful stained glass and an amazing center light. I really love this mantel. The fire surround tiles, I believe, are of the period, but not original. Whereas the hearth tiles do look original. This bay lets in amazing light. The dining room features the same center light as the parlor and opens to the parlor with these massive pocket doors. Another gorgeous mantel, and the hearth tiles again are original. The kitchen and breakfast room are quite spacious and just need a little updating.
There are 5 bedrooms in the house, and what would have originally been a family parlor has been turned into a large bedroom on the main floor. Don't you love this trim on this early cabinetry? The ensuite has been recently updated and has a walk-in shower. Now let's go up this gorgeous stairway where we'll find 4 more bedrooms on the second floor. The spaces here are less formal, but still quite gorgeous.
Thanks for watching another episode of Restoration Travels with Lane and Kevin. Now remember, we're not realtors. We do not guarantee this property, and we can't really answer your questions about this property. The realtor's information is listed in the Zillow link in the description below this video. So click on that and find out more about this home. We want to get these beautiful historic homes to the right owners so that they will take care of them for the next generation. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.